Hi guys, my name is Ishita and welcome back to my channel. So this video was a request and I'm really very happy to finish this request for you guys. So the request was how to drape a sari. So guys, I hope you guys learn something. So if you do learn something, please go ahead and comment down below that you guys enjoy, and if you have any other requests then please don't be hesitate, just comment it right away. So let's not waste any more time and get to the dripping. So before going to the steps, I do recommend tie your petticoat tightly to your body and gather the pleats in the front. And also make sure you are wearing your heels so you don't miss out on height. Now unfold the sari to its full length and then adjust the height of the sari according to your waist and the petticoat waistline. Then I do recommend using the safety pins when you tuck in your corner edge, so that way it will not just get anywhere, it will be just at the place. Now take the top end of your sari in your right hand and circle it around your waist till you come to the front one time, and also make sure that you maintain the same height as you wrap it around your waistline. Now, so this is the step 1 that you have completed. Now for the step 2 that I like to do is making the pleats of the pallu. So making the pleats of the pallu, taking the end of the sari, other end of the sari, just grab it once on your waistline, and then the pallu goes on the left shoulder. So for the left shoulders, I'm going to make the pleats for the pallu. So for the pallu, you are going to take your right hand or left hand, it doesn't matter. I am lefty, so I am taking my left hand and placing between my fingers and making 1 plate, 2 plate, 3, 4 plates, 5 plates, almost 5 plates of the sari, and that's it. Now we are going to pin that. Also, we are going to secure our pallu with the second pin, so that way it will be so easy to drape the pallu and the height and the length of the pallu will be perfect. So just making sure that the length of the pallu is perfect, not too high, not too low, just perfect enough for the sari. So that's perfect. You are now ready for the pleating the sari in the front. Pleating is done using your right hand while your left hand is holding tight and remaining length of your sari, but I am a left-handed, so I am doing everything reversed. Your middle fingers and the index finger will be slipping to and 4, while your little fingers and the ring finger is steady, your right hand thumb. Make 8 or 10 pleats to fit your requirements. When you have pleated uniformly, hold the plates together and adjust the height. And also, while I'm done with the plating, I do like to gather it and secure it with the safety pin that I do, and that is the neatest way to make sure your plates are all gathered and secure with the safety pin. So just I'm adjusting the plates and then tuck it in. When you're done making your front plates, just take the pallu that we have already pleated and pinned and wrap it around your borders and place there, and you are done. Again, I'm just securing with the pin. You don't need to do that because you have already secured it with the pin, but just make sure just to secure it and just pinning my pleats in my blouse. So that's it guys. This is the easiest way to do sari. You can also prepare this in advance and just wrap it around. You can do that, and this is such an easy way to drape your sari on yourself.
So do let me know what do you feel about this draping styles, and if you want to do any other draping styles, like I can do Gujarati. If you want to guys learn that, I can also drape in Gujarati style. And I know guys, you are quite wondering that why I'm not wearing matching blouse of this sari. This is not a matching blouse, but you can also mix and match with various different styles. This is a matching blouse of this sari, but I was not that confident to show my belly, so that was the reason that I'm not wearing a matching blouse. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you do, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Until next time.